Gonna make some Haitian spaghetti. I'm gonna put some bread's already boiling. I'm also gonna be making some egg salad with turmeric, cumin, cayenne pepper, and I'm gonna put some adobo in it too. I already cut my onions. I got like onions in mine, and I'll show you the after product in that next step. For the meat, for the protein for the spaghetti, I'm gonna use patties, beef patties, because I got them for the kids during the break, and they didn't like this kind. I got them two kinds: a $22 one and this one from Walmart. The $22 one is from Sam's, and they barely ate this one. Like ate like two. They're like, no, thank you. And so I'm going to use this as ground beef for my spaghetti. This is the kind the kids don't like. This is the kind they love, they like. Add a drop of oil in here so that the pasta doesn't get stuck to each other. I forgot to record the steak seasoning, the Montreal steak. Um, Added that. I thought I got the ginger, but I got the poultry. I realized that, so I put the poultry back and put the ginger. I added ginger because I don't like the smell of meat, and the ginger helps with that. I added the Italian seasoning because it has oregano, it has sage, it has rosemary, etc. Things I like, the aroma I like. And I'm gonna add the adobo into this, and I'm gonna add the seasoning packet into this, and then mix it up. I'm gonna add some cumin, just a little bit. One, two, three. Right there. Let it dry up, and then add the oil. By my beef. I'm gonna add a little bit more seasoning because it doesn't have seasoning for me. Actually, no, I don't have to. I'm gonna add the Haitian piece in it, so I'm not gonna add the more seasoning. It's dry. I'm gonna add. I lied. Added some more. It's getting hot. So I'm gonna add the meat. How the meat cooks down. Cover it. Like 5 minutes. Added some more cumin because I like it more cumin. And I'm gonna add the pasta water and let it boil a little bit. I'll let it boil now. Now I walk the dogs, and then by the time I come back, they should be thick enough for me to add the pasta in. Right now it's just water. I think we want more scoop just in case it takes longer to walk the dogs. Let them dry out. We do one more scoop. The pasta will okay. Okay. Once it's thicker, so I'm gonna walk the dog and come back. It should be thicker by then. I'm gonna add the pasta. Toss the in. No customer behind. Mix it up so you get the color, and then I'm gonna turn it off. So habanero pepper burst and additional sugar. Just feature it.